For this project, my client wanted great blue heron wings, so I compiled a collage of reference pictures, and then using this picture here, I was able to go into Photoshop and get it to scale. Then I decided to make it out of Y40 foam, which is, as many people know, EVA foam is a very popular crafting foam, but I specifically ordered Y40 because it's a lot denser than normal EVA foam and it comes in thinner sheets. So I bought these 1/8 inch Y40 sheets, and then I cut the wings into 3 sections. When sandwiched, there's 5 total sections. The bottom section, as you can see here, is cut out, and then the individual wings are cut with an X-Acto knife. Later I will go back and I will Dremel the edges so that everything's smooth and blends together a little bit better, and I'll just Dremel for detail, and I'll go in and I'll add a little bit more contouring so that the lines really pop. But for now, in this stage, they're just cut out, and then using contact cement, they're glued together. I go and I actually cut a hole out of the entire piece so that the flattened PVC pipe will fit inside the wing without bulging. PVC pipe was just heated and formed and then flattened with a heat gun, and then the rig itself is just made of PVC pipe pieces, nuts and bolts, metal clamps, and some leather, because I think it's preferable to wear that on the body versus plastic harness like I have seen online. So I decided to use an old thick piece of leather that would have a little bit more flexibility. Yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions and I will make sure to answer them for you.